Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about Caspa, so let's waste no more time and get right in today's topic. So, we have seen a major bloodbath for the crypto markets, and I'm sure if you have been following my channel over the last, few weeks and you watch it on a regular basis, you guys know, this is something that we've been talking about. So, a lot of fear, one of the biggest drops we have seen in quite some time, for the crypto markets, 3 consecutive days, a lot of, things that are impacting the crypto markets, specifically, the tariffs, which have, caused the market to really kind of see uncertainty coming towards, and we have seen a major drop for the crypto markets. And, this makes people wonder, is tomorrow morning going to be a bad day for the stock market? I wouldn't be surprised, but do let me know in the comments down below. But what Kaspa was able to do today is crazy to think about. And again, when I pull out the charts, things will make more sense. But if you're looking at the last 1 hour, even though we're seeing a little bit of green across support, I'm not buying this. I think, we still have, more confirmation to be needed before we get excited. But looking at the price of Caspa, 10 cents, down 17.3% in USD and Bitcoin. Comparative market cap at $2.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 305 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So a major drop for Caspa, there's no question about that. But look at the dominance index, and I mentioned this in my Caspa update. If you did end up watching it, you saw the dominance shoot towards 64.45% for the first time since February of 2021. So, this is a major, bad thing for altcoins, believe it or not. If you're looking at altcoins, I want you guys to understand, you don't want to be ignoring this. Altcoins have been, really, going down quite a bit compared to Bitcoin even. We have seen a major bloodbath. If you're looking at it on CoinGecko, Bitcoin down 6.2% over the last 24 hours. But look at the altcoin market, 20-30% depending on what coin you're looking at. So, a major pullback for the altcoin market, and that is due to, dominance, wicking up to the likes of 64.26%. This major wick was the reason why you saw a lot of coins, wicking down to some levels we haven't seen. But those prices did not last too long. And of course, if I pull out the Caspa chart, things will make more sense. But I spoke about the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, neckline being retested. I literally spoke about this over the last 3 days, the last 48 hours. I've been saying, this could be a reality. This is something that you guys want to be keeping an eye out on. We literally retested right on the neckline and got support, and I've seen a little bit of a bounce. But I'm not buying this. Is this the time where we finally lose this support and start heading towards the downside? Possibly. And again, like I said, tomorrow, very important. We're really going to see what is announced, what we hear from, these tariffs, and again, very important things to be keeping an eye out. And this is a major week coming up, for the overall stock market and even crypto space. But if you're looking at Caspa here, guys, so this is madness. I repeat, this right here is a madness. So we saw Caspa's price dropping, below the 9.4 cents mark, first time since November of 2023. That's insane, guys. Last time the price of Caspa was below this range, was literally back, like I said, on November 10th of 2023. So we went down to 7.6 cents for Caspa. This is not a small move, guys. Major pullback. And again, like I said, these prices did not last too long. Major liquidation occurring though. And again, if you had some buy orders placed in and somehow got your buy orders filled in, this is an instant bounce of 30%, guys. A 30% bounce instantly. But with that said, remember, these types of wicks end up filling in. So are we going to see this wick filling in? I think yes. Reason why I say that is because Bitcoin is once again hanging at the 23.6 support line. Dominance is on the edge of breaking yet again a new yearly high, and literally sitting at a new yearly high for the first time in literally 4 years. So if Bitcoin tumbles towards the downside and loses the 23.6 support, Bitcoin could actually make its way down to 85K mark even. And I even been saying this over the last, few hours. And what does this mean? This means, all these, projects that have seen these wicks towards the downside could actually fill in. So if you want to put this into perspective, Caspa you would need to drop an additional 23.87% for us to, retest it. And I still do think this is a reality, but wow. A project that was literally, last summer sitting at its all-time high has seen quite a large dip. Still no Binance. I know there's a lot of frustration within the markets. A 62.36% drop, but one thing is we need to consider that the broader market has retraced, not just Caspa. It was ranging nicely within this zone, above this key support. But obviously we need to keep in mind what happened for the broader market rather than ignoring that. But I do want you guys to pay attention to Bitcoin and the dominance still. I think we could actually see market falling down a little bit more before we start kind of seeing a little bit of a relief rally. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions? Where do you see the price of Caspa going? Are you still bullish on Caspa? If so, let me know in the comments. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.